Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Have you ever given your phone to someone, maybe your friend Rajesh, and immediately thought, wait, should I give him full access? What if he opens my gallery, or my chats, or my secret folder? That's why you set app locks or guest mode, to give access only to what you want and keep the rest thing on the phone safe. The same thing happens when you manage a website. When you or someone else needs to upload files to your server, you don't want to hand over the access to everything. You just create an FTP account in cPanel, so they get access to only the right folders, nothing more, nothing less. By the way, if you want web hosting where cPanel management, FTP setup, and security feels simple and hassle-free, go check out YouStable Hosting. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creators like you. Go check out YouStable.com now. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create an FTP account in cPanel. Super easy, step by step. You can use your cPanel username and password to access all folders and files via FTP. However, if you want to create an FTP user account for a specific folder, or don't want to allow access to your root files, you can create a separate FTP account. Go to the Files section and click the FTP accounts. Enter desired username in the log and text box. Click the drop-down list and select the domain. You can either enter the password manually or generate a password automatically. To generate it automatically, click the Password Generator button. Copy and save this generated password in a safe place. After saving the password, check this box and click the Use Password button. If you want to give access to the entire /public_HTML folder, enter public_HTML, or change the folder path to a different path, such as public_HTML/new user, and your FTP user will be granted access only to the new user folder. Your FTP user will also be unable to access folders outside the public_HTML/new user folder. Specify the quota in numerical words, or select Unlimited. Click the Options button and select any one option. Now, click the Create FTP Account button. Now you can access your FTP account by using your newly created FTP account. To access your FTP account, you need to enter host. In this text box, enter your website IP or your website name, like ftp.example.com. Here, replace example.com with your website address. Enter the username and enter FTP port number 21. It is the default port. Then enter your FTP password in the FTP password text box. Thank you for watching.